In this section, we are going to study multiplication using calculation on paper, multiplying integer by the first decimal. Put each number in the right justification instead of alignment. So write 3 and 8 in the right end like this. Next, use a ruler when you underline like this. Then let's start the multiplication. 8 times 3 equals 24. So write regroup the small 2 over the second grid from right, and write 4 into the first grid from right. 8 times 2 plus 2 equals 18. So write 1 into the third grid from right, and write a diagonal line on 2 like this. Then write 8 into the second grid from right. Next, 4 times 3 equals 12. So write regroup the small 1 over the third grid from right, and write 2 into the second grid from right. 4 times 2 plus 1 equals 9. So write a diagonal line on 1 like this. Then write 9 in the third grid from right. Next, sum up the result of the calculation. The first from right is 4. The second from right is 8 plus 2 equals 10. Write regroup the small 1 over the third grid from right, and write 0 into the second grid from right. The third from right is 1 plus 9 plus 1 equals 11. Write regroup the 1 into the fourth grid from right and a diagonal line on the regrouped 1. Then write 1 in the third grid from right. Next, write the decimal point to the multiplication. 4.8 is first decimal. There is only a decimal, so the answer is number of the first decimal place. The smallest number 4 is the decimal, so the decimal point is placed in the lower right of 0. Lastly, write the answer. That's all for this multiplication. Now we are going to practice. Press the pause button and let's try. When you finish, press the play button and check your answer. Then check your answer. Number 1. 56 times 6.7. The answer is 375.2. Number 2. 71 times 9.3. This is the same way as number 1. The answer is 660.3. Did you get the right answer to the both questions? Finally, we are going to review what we learned today. Put each number into the right justification. Use a ruler when you underline. Then start the multiplication. 4 times 9 equals 36. Write regroup small 3 like this, and 6 like this. 4 times 3 equals 12. So write 1, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. Write 5 like this. Next, 7 times 9 equals 63. Write regrouped small 6 like this, and 3. 7 times 3 equals 21, and write 2. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So write a diagonal line on 6 and write 7 like this. Then sum up them. The first from right is 6. The second from right is 5 plus 3 equals 8. The third from right is 1 plus 7 equals 8. The fourth from right is 2. Next, write the decimal point to the multiplication. 7.4 is a first decimal. There is only a decimal, so the answer is number of the first decimal place. The smallest number, 6, is a decimal, so the decimal point is placed in the lower right of 8. Lastly, write the answer. That's all for today's lesson.